My name is David Muir. Most people know me as Sexy Man because I'm just a sexy man. My history with regard to why you're interviewing me today is because I'm a photographer and I produced another edition of my book, Pieces of Jamaica. I did one 10 years ago for Jamaica's 50th anniversary of independence, and of course we have now repeated for Jamaica's 60th anniversary of independence. It is my joy, it is my true artistic expression to say I love sharing Jamaica, the land of my birth, the land of my upbringing. It's so special to me that I have spent many months, many hours, many days capturing and telling the story of how Jamaica is beautiful, and I want you all to have a chance if you go to piecesofjamaica.com so you can learn more about this book and what it means to me and what it can mean to you. Please check it out, piecesofjamaica.com.
All right, David.
Yeah, man.
Tell us what caused you to get into photography, and why did you pick Jamaica as to show the world Jamaica by way of photography?
Well, I'm somebody who always loves expressing myself, and so photography is one of the best mediums for me because it allows me to tell some very specific stories. I like to be someone who shares joy, who shares hope, who shares literally just passion, and photography allows me to express myself with those themes in mind. And then why Jamaica is because it's such a spectacular place. Have you been? Do you not know? Why Jamaica is, as I said, once you go, you know. Please, Jamaica is just a most special, mystical, adventurous, and just fun place to enjoy life. And there's no better way to express my love for Jamaica than to share all of the things that are beautiful in Jamaica through my photography.
All right, so I understand that you're going to be exhibiting in New York and going to do some book signing. Please tell us about that.
Yeah, definitely. Me and my brother Garvin is going to be doing some exhibition at the Jamaican consulate, and based on that we're going to have a book signing at the consulate. We're going to have an additional opportunity to bring the books to the Jamaica Drug Festival New York edition, and that is on July 31st. And anyone who's interested in owning their own copy, if you don't make it to the website and you want to come and get a signed in-person edition, come to the Jerk Festival or come to the consulate and enjoy our event there where you can get to meet me, meet Garvin, and come out and really see what's so special about Jamaica. So Pieces of Jamaica, original edition is on sale for $60 and the new edition is on sale for $125. However, if you get it as a pre-order, you can go on the website now and get it on sale. So we have a discount pre-order sale price. If you go on the website, Pieces of Jamaica, you can get a discount from the $125 sticker price that will be for the book that's releasing next month.
Well, David, thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it.
Looking forward to seeing the exhibit here in New York.
Yeah, man, and it's great that we can work as colleagues, people who have similar interests and similar goals. And I've seen your work, and your work is extremely good. And without any question, I'm happy to be showing alongside you because it only means that I'm at a certain level because you're at a certain level.
No, it's that, David.
No, man, a real thing, man.
Your level. But it's my honor to be exhibiting with you, all right?
Blessings, man.
Thank you, David.
All right.